If I told you that your next viral video could take just 30 seconds, check out the magic with Google Flow. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tips, tutorials, and AI inspiration for your business. Okay, so Google Flow is where you can use your words and images if you want to create a video. When you come in here, you just click Create with Flow, and it'll take you to this screen where you can select a new project. And when you do that, you'll be given a box where you can type your prompt. Now, I've already gone ahead and typed my prompt out here. I'm going to change this drop down. Instead of text to video, I'm going to do ingredients to video, because in this video, I actually want to use my own characters that I've created. So I'm going to have my elf friend there, and then my 12 days of marketing, because I want that to be on a phone in the app. So I said, create a short promotional video for AI coaching with Angelina. The elf says, and I put in quotes, welcome to there. If you want to increase your presence on social media, join the 12 days of free marketing. I might say, want to create more content this holiday season. And then we'll say, join the 12 days. Use a cozy holiday theme with a text overlay. This is the only text on the screen. Sometimes it wants to add more text, so I'll just be super clear with that. And then all you have to do is push this little icon right here, and then the magic starts happening, and it takes just a little while to render. Here's what the video looks like.
Welcome to AI Coaching with Angelina. Want to create more content this holiday season? Join the 12 Days of Free AI Marketing Tools Challenge.
I mean, that's pretty impressive. So then all I have to do is download that, and I can add it to my social media.